In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove themes in Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clean up old or unused themes from your store so your dashboard stays tidy and you only keep what you actually use. First, head to your Shopify admin in your web browser. You'll land on the main dashboard where you manage your store. Remember, removing a theme only applies to themes that aren't currently published. Your live theme can't be deleted while it's active, and that's by design so you don't accidentally take your storefront down. If you've customized a theme heavily and think you might want it later, a common best practice is to keep a backup copy or export it before you do any cleanup. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Online Store. This opens the Themes area. At the top, you'll see your current theme. Below that, you'll find the Theme Library, which is where all your unpublished themes live. This is the section you'll be working in to remove what you no longer need. Find the specific theme you want to remove in the theme library. Take a moment to double-check the name and thumbnail so you're absolutely certain it's the right one. Deleting the wrong theme can mean losing custom code, templates, or settings you intended to keep. When you're sure, open the Theme's Actions menu. Depending on your view, this might look like a three-dot icon or a drop-down labeled Actions. That's the highlight menu you'll use to manage the theme. From that Actions menu, choose Remove. Shopify will prompt you to confirm because this action can't be undone from the admin once it's completed. This confirmation step helps prevent accidental deletions and gives you one last chance to verify you picked the correct theme. When the confirmation dialog appears, click Remove again to finalize. Shopify will delete that unpublished theme from your theme library, freeing up space and reducing clutter. If you don't see the theme anymore, that's a good sign everything worked. If it's still listed, refresh the page to update the view. A few quick tips as you maintain your themes. Keep only a small set of working drafts, archive themes you're actively testing, and periodically review your library so you're not keeping large, outdated versions around. Cleaner libraries make it faster to find what you need and reduce confusion when switching designs. That's it. Simple, safe, and organized.